Welcome to the Learning Studio. This is the Biological Sciences series, and in today's lecture, we begin in our journey into molecular and cellular biology with one of the most fundamental topics, the structure and function of biomolecules. If you'd like to follow the full journey of this subject, check out the entire playlist. The link is right below in the description. This is one of the many subjects we'll explore through whiteboard animations, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Here's a question for you. What makes life possible? It's not just cells, not just DNA, and not just energy. At the most basic level, life is powered by biomolecules, the microscopic building blocks that give structure to your body, fuel your energy, and control your thoughts. Without biomolecules, there is no biology. So, what are biomolecules? They are organic molecules found in all living organisms. The four main categories are carbohydrates, the energy suppliers; proteins, the workers performing almost every cellular function; lipids, the insulators and energy reserves; nucleic acids, the carriers of genetic information. Together, they create the chemistry of life. Structure and function breakdown. Carbohydrates, simple sugars like glucose, power your cells. Complex carbs like starch in plants or glycogen in humans serve as energy storage. Case study. During a marathon, when athletes hit the wall, it's often because their glycogen stores are depleted. Their cells are literally running out of carbohydrate fuel. Proteins, made of amino acids. Proteins fold into complex shapes. Enzymes speed up reactions, antibodies defend against infections, and hemoglobin carries oxygen. Example, without the protein insulin, glucose cannot enter cells properly, leading to diabetes. Lipids. These include fats, oils, and phospholipids. They form cell membranes, provide long-term energy, and help signal between cells. Example, cholesterol, often seen as bad, is actually essential in maintaining membrane fluidity. Too little, and cells cannot survive. Nucleic acids. DNA stores instructions. RNA helps build proteins. Together, they are the blueprint of life. Case study. The discovery of DNA's double helix structure by Watson and Crick revolutionized biology and medicine. Today, DNA testing solves crimes, tracks ancestry, and personalizes medicine. Why it matters in molecular and cellular biology. Biomolecules are not just chemistry. They are the foundation of all molecular and cellular processes. Every lecture that follows in this series on enzymes, DNA, cell cycles, and signaling will build upon the understanding of biomolecules. Past, present, and future relevance. In the past, studying biomolecules gave rise to the field of biochemistry. In the present, biomolecules help us fight diseases, design drugs, and understand nutrition. In the future, synthetic biomolecules may allow us to create artificial cells or even engineer life from scratch. Why watch this playlist? In this playlist, we'll explore not just definitions but real-life applications, case studies, and fascinating examples. From DNA replication to stem cells, from plant physiology to neuroscience, you'll see how biology connects to everyday life. Whether you are a student preparing for exams, a teacher looking for classroom-ready material, or just a curious learner, this series will sharpen your understanding of life at its most fundamental level. So that's the beginning of our molecular and cellular biology journey, the structure and function of biomolecules. In the next videos, we'll dive even deeper into enzymes, DNA replication, and beyond. Welcome again to the Learning Studio. Don't forget to check out the playlist link below, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next lecture in the Biological Sciences series. Because life is built on biomolecules, and the more you understand them, the more you understand yourself.